Yeah. Let us say a few basic things before writing the program. We should know. Then only you can start writing the program. So here we are going to use the Python language. The reason is it's going to support both procedure and structure, and also is having a lot of library files. You can import easily and supports many library functions. So it is easy to write the program. So that is the reason most of the applications, even image processing, machine learning, and many of the embedded applications and IoT, we are going to use the Python as the major language. So the statements written in the Python language are case sensitive, same as C language. As you know that C language is also case sensitive. Similarly, Python is also case sensitive. Means if you write two identifiers, if you change the letters from small to capital or capital to small, that will be considered as a different identifier. So that has to be taken care while writing the statements, while writing the program in Python by using Python language. Then before using any GPI pins, that is general purpose input output pins, that should make visible, make accessible in the program. For that, we need to import those GPI pins from the library files with the statements as import rpi.gpio as B, means we are giving another one name as an object. So further in the program, we can use as a B instead of using rpi.gpio. So once if we use import rpi.gpio as B, then your GPI pins are make visible or make you to accessible in the program. You can make use of it. Then these GPI pins are configured in two modes. One is board mode and another is BCM. Means if you configure as a board mode, means whatever the physical numbers mentioned on the Raspberry Pi board, those numbers has to be used while writing the program. Referred only those numbers, physical numbers. If it is configured as a BCM number, then it has to be used as given in the reference sheet, that is data sheet by the board of the manufacturer. So if you configure as a board, which is same for all the Raspberry Pi board. If you configure as BCM mode, means you have to check the corresponding Raspberry Pi data sheet. There is a main difference. So here in our experiments, we are configuring as a board mode, means whatever physical numbers on the board, same we are going to write when writing the program. Now the method to configure either board mode or BCM mode is here. B dot means already we are given rpi.gpio as a B letter. So I used here B dot, means it refers to the GPio pins. B dot set mode, you are setting the mode. Then B dot, the same GPI pins as a board mode. So this is one method. I mean configured as a board mode, or you can configure as a BCM mode by using B dot set mode, B dot BCM. Either one mode you have to use.